Previously on the Mama Swole channel.
Yo!
That's good.
What are you doing?
Honestly, I was just kind of thinking about getting shredded. What about you?
Just thinking about anabolic milkshakes.
Well, I think that kind of works out, right? Kind of an anabolic milkshake.
And I have an ab workout.
Guess I would fit right into the plan, getting shredded. And that milkshake where you would be full literally all night.
Perfect.
Alright, so I suggest you try out that milkshake.
I'll do it.
Alright, meet back up in a few days.
Sounds like a plan, Stan.
Alright, Mama. Alright, bye.
Okay, bye. Exercise for cheat meals times Mama Swole collab coming at ya. Hello, my babies, and welcome to the Mama Swole times Exercise for Cheat Meals collab. My good friend Nick is going to be trying my ab workout, so after you watch this video, make sure you go check out his video because I can't wait to see that. I feel like that's going to be very fun. And I'm going to be trying his anabolic Reeses protein ice cream recipe. Let's see how this goes. Hopefully I don't f it up. And if I do, it's on me. It's not on him because Nick is an amazing chef. Let's get started, shall we? And the swole comment of the day is this comment right here. For a chance to be featured in the next Swole comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment below. The protein we're going to be using is from Transparent Labs. You can use code Mama Swole to get 15% off, so go check them out. This is a vegan protein, so I hope it doesn't mess up the recipe too much. We also have a vegan Greek yogurt, so once again, I hope it doesn't mess up the recipe, but we'll see. Hold on, let me get out all the ingredients and then, yeah. We have a lot of items here. Not all of them align with his items, like the brands and the flavors and the... Let's just do it. Let's just see how it goes. Oh, and I should probably get out the blender. Let's put this scary ass wand in here. This thing scares the crap out of me. Wait, I know how to start this.
Let's get into it.
Did I do that good? Okay, wait, so he puts his blender on the scale instead of... Okay, I guess I'll do that. Because normally I put it in a bowl and then Alright, we'll just do that. Let's try something new. Blender on scale. I don't know what OOE2 means, but I feel like it's not good. What do you... I don't know. I don't think that's right. Let me just keep moving. Is it because the plate's too big? Wait, what if I just do that? Oh, that works. Alright, I'm just gonna do that. Alright, we're starting with our Greek yogurt. It says 170 grams, but already a problem. Because this says it's only 150 grams, but it's only 20 gram difference. It's fine. It'll be fine. Every little thing's gonna be alright. My life mantra. Oh shit, we have lost some grams. Alright, so it's only 136 grams. It's not even 150, but that's the Mama Swole way. He did say if you're a gram or two off, that's okay. I mean, I'm 22 grams, so that's a bit more than a gram or two, but I'm sure it's still okay. Okay, now we need 140 grams of milk. I'm going to be using almond milk. I'm nervous. I feel like I'm gonna... Let's just do it. Woohoo! We did it! 140 on the dot. Alright, now we're gonna take our guar gum. He said 3 grams? Pretty sure he said 3 grams. So let's see. I'm nervous. 3! Okay, next we need 20 grams. He's using PB2. I ain't got that. I got this. Same shit, right? Hopefully. I don't know. 20 grams. Let's do it. I think if I put extra, it would be okay. Because I really like peanut butter. So I kind of want to put more than 20. Don't do it. Don't do it. Follow the recipe, Christina. That's the devil on my shoulder every time I cook. How's your day? Are you having a good day? I hope you're having a good ass day. Alright, now we're going to add 5 grams of cocoa. Aren't you guys proud of me for not just pouring it in directly? Because that always fucks it up. Like, I finally learned. I'm finally getting better at cooking. And it's all thanks to all you anabolic chefs out there that I've been following. Damn, why is it? I'm getting impatient. There we go. Okay, 5 grams. Okay, so now he says to use a scoop and a half of protein. I think that's what he said. Let's do that. That seems like a lot. Maybe it's just because I'm a nugget. Oh, 1 scoop? That looks about half, right? Yeah. Voila. Remember, go Mama Swole once again. Just saying. Alright, next he says to use salt. I'm using sea salt. I hope that doesn't matter because I don't know the difference in salt, but he just did one of these, so I'm gonna do one of these. How's that? Oh wait, he said a pinch. That was probably more than a pinch. This is the part where I don't know how it's gonna go because he said to use like chocolate, pudding, jello stuff, and I already had this for making an iron musket recipe, and it's cheesecake, and I had a lot left over, and I was like, what's the point of buying more? I already have this. That's just me. I don't know. I don't know if it'll make that much of a difference. I feel like it'll just add a little hint of cheesecake flavor, which there's never anything wrong with that, right? We all love a good cheesecake. I know Nick is watching this right now like, I hope this doesn't mess everything up. 8. Okay, so every single time I use stevia, you see how it's packets? You guys know, you've watched my videos before. And if you haven't, now's the time to subscribe. Join the Swole Squad. But I swear, I could put all these packs in and I bet you anything, it'll still say 0 grams. So I never know how many to put in. I think I'm just gonna do like 5? Sure, let's just do like 5. So that was 1 pack, right? And look, sorry, that's really dirty. 0, okay? Now look, here we go, pack number 2. Check it out, 0. 3. What would you do if it was like 100? This is gonna be the last one that we'll do. And what do you know? And I don't like to use that much of it because like, I don't think it's all that great for you. I guess it's better than like the regular sugar. But is it? But is it? Everybody argue below about it. I'm just kidding, don't argue. Talk nicely, be kind to each other. Okay, so now we're gonna add 480 grams. So I think this is where I went wrong with Iron Musket's recipe. So I'm gonna actually follow it this time. All right. Okay, let's try that again. Aim. There we go. We did it. Okay, 481, we did it. I'm not gonna lie, it should have been 420, just saying. Okay, we blend it all now. I'm getting nervous. So next, he says while it's blending, he chops up some Reese's Thins. Oh shit. I'm just messing. I got you. I pranked you good. You probably thought from the beginning I had the wrong thing, huh? Yeah, I already ate like 3. He says he chops up 2. That's not very many. Can I do 3 or 4 or 10? I'm gonna do 3. He says he chops it up while it's blending, so I guess I'll start blending it. I hate this part because it's so freaking loud. Let's do this. I'm scared. I wish I had earmuffs. I'll use these as earmuffs. Oh no, there's a piece of paper, a little piece of the stevia paper in there. You think it'll add to the flavor? I should probably take that out. Okay, I'm scared. Okay, ready? Okay. I have anxiety because I know it's gonna be so loud. Maybe I shouldn't use these. 1, 2, 3. I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna take this off of here before I like stick my hand and this thing in there because somebody commented it was like, don't do that, that's dangerous. So Mama's gonna listen to her swole babies because that's what a good mother does. Ooh, it smells good. I'm exhausted. I think that should be good enough. I'm just bored of doing it, so I don't really feel like doing it anymore. Dude, it looks pretty freaking good. I have high hopes. Now, he said to melt the peanut butter in the microwave. He said to measure out like 8 grams. This says that 2 tablespoons is 33 grams, which means 1 tablespoon, 33 divided by 2, 1 carry the 2. It's probably like, I'm just gonna do 1 tablespoon. Melted enough? I'm gonna say it is. I'm actually tired, I'm not lying. Dude, I don't know how he does this all the time. He makes these recipes like every day. That's so wild. Respect. Oh wait, I think I have to blend it again before I put all this in there. So let's do it. Ready, set. Alright, now let's put the peanut butter in. Oh yeah. Then we put the Reeses in. Woo! Damn, I must say this has gone quite well. I'm shocked. So I guess I'll like stir it up a little bit. Doesn't it look good? Looks bomb.com. Let's try it. The grand finale. Oh my god, I'm excited. Suki, are you excited? Suki's excited too. It is time, babies. Let's see. Let's take this thing out. I almost forgot. Let's try this fish out. Oh my god.
Yeah.
It looks really good. Ready? Hold my hand. Let's try it together. Can I get a drum roll? This shit slaps. Oh, I'm getting more anabolic as we speak. Oh my god, it's really good. I think I should have blended it a little more because the ice chunks, but I actually don't mind that. I know, do I have shit in my hair? I know a lot of people don't really like the ice chunks, but I think it's kind of good that way because it adds like a little crunch. But holy shit, this is really good. My taste buds are very happy. Everybody at home should try this recipe. Everybody should go check out Nick's video, try my ab workout, and oh my god, it's really good. I want to keep drinking it. Feel the dopamine rushing. That's delicious. So seriously, try out this recipe. Go check out Nick's channel. The link is in the description. Shout out to Nick for this recipe. Comment below what other recipes I should try. Make sure you give this video a like if you liked it, and make sure you subscribe to join the Swole Squad and to get a free anabolic milkshake. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a good ass day.